I'm Irne from Retro Construction. We are Auckland-based construction company specializing in all types of construction. If you have a growing family and you feel the need to extend your home or change the garage into a habitable space, we can help you with that. We can also help you with renovations, which is internal or external, structural or non-structural. If you find that your cladding is getting tired, we can reclad. We can work with timber or fiber cement weatherboards. We do the complete project from installation right through to painting. In Retro Construction, we have a team of specialists from architects, engineers, quantity surveyors to help you from the conceptual design right through detailed design, through the building process, right up to the end and CCC application. If you need advice with your construction project, you are welcome to contact us at info@retroconstruction.co.nz.